Alrighty then, this is one for the record. Here's the clip from the Daily Sheeple. Not just Ferguson, protest schedule for 83 cities. Direct action training held for protesters. Wow. Let's see what cities. That's what I want to see. I think it's at the bottom here. We want the list. Here we go. Here's the list. Here's the list. I'm going to go slowly so you can look for your city. So you can be prepared in case something breaks loose. Alright. Just go real slow. Wow. Let me just scroll down real slow for you guys. And pause so you can see where all these places are, even in Canada. Heads up, Canada. Look at this. It is said that he went down there to Ferguson, made an unscheduled trip to talk to the activists. Told him to keep going. Whatever. I don't know. Wasn't there, just heard it on the internet. It says officials warn, make sure you are prepared for a period of disruption before Michael Brown decision. Now that might be Monday. Alrighty then. W77 is stating that they got everyone fighting against each other instead of for the the main real cause of this whole thing. First of all, it should be done in the daytime. If you're gonna protest, remember what I said last time. If you do it in the daytime, then people can see what's going on. You do it under the cover of dark. People can't see if anyone is being... Stop! People can't see if there's any unjust things happening to the protesters out there. Max, stop! Get down. Wow. Guard dogs. Alright. Let me move on from this, but I just want everyone to realize you have to protest in the daytime, daylight hours. Don't get caught up with running around at night, because that is not going to help the cause while you're out there. Plus, if some kind of injustice happens, then the whole world can see it. We can't see anything when it comes down to some of those videos where things were happening and you couldn't tell what's going on. Same thing with journalists. Everything daytime. Daytime. So people can see what's going on. Do not go out there and do your thing at night. Because if anything were to go down, no one's going to be able to tell what happened, who did what, and you got my meaning there. You understand? Please do your activism during the daytime. It will be safer for you. It will be safer for you if you do it during the daytime. where it's all lit up and everyone can see what's going on. And for some reason, if somebody jumps in and starts doing something else that they're not supposed to be doing, you might have to encircle them and let them get arrested, because there are going to be people in there trying to agitate all kinds of things. And stay focused on whatever you're doing. Don't get sidetracked. Stay focused. And that way, if it's daytime, you can point out, hey, he's not part of our group. We don't know why he's throwing things, and then he'll get picked up, because you'll be able to see, you know. Hopefully there'll be people out there live streaming. And if they're not live streaming, and if something should go on and everything goes down, at least record it with your video cameras and then upload later. In the daytime, we can't see nothing at night. Doesn't make any difference. You're going to try to show something at night, and it's all distorted. So, alrighty then. I want everyone to be ready in every city. Okay? And try to keep this peaceful. Please. Please keep this peaceful. And remember what you're really, you know, why you are out there. The point of the matter. Just remember what the point of the matter is. And if anyone were to start some other crap, it will be in the daytime and everyone can see it, and we can see who started what and who they are. And if they want to wear a bunch of masks, well, they might as well go home. Everyone just be righteous. Please, be righteous when you're out there. Alrighty then. Moving on. Just a heads up. I never knew there was really the Daily Sheeple. I thought that was a joke. I didn't really realize there is a paper out there. Alrighty then. Be safe. Everybody else be prepared for anything. Warn people that you know in those other cities that people will be maybe out there doing their activism. Alrighty then. Warn everybody. Make sure everyone knows what's going on. And if you can, stay in. For those who are not protesting, stay inside. And then watch it on the live feed. If you can. Alrighty then. Because if they got a lot of agents out there, they're going to have to justify that. They're going to have to justify why they're all out there. So, please be safe. Live, this is One for the Record. I'm Diana, and today is November 22nd, 2014. Here are your news updates for today. The Watchers watching the world. Strong shallow M, which is magnitude 6.3 earthquake hit Sichuan, China. Also, very strong and shallow magnitude 6.8 earthquake hit Honshu, Japan. Also, yesterday, very strong magnitude 6.8 earthquake registered in Maluku Sea, Indonesia. Heads up, the earth is moving. Alrighty then, moving on. Breaking news, breakingnews.com. 3 hours ago, 17 workers ill after inhaling chlorine gas at India paper factory, officials say, coming out of Times of India. Also, two hours ago, update, at least 30 injured in Japan earthquake. Federal Disaster Management Agency officials say, coming out of AP. Severe thunderstorm warning for San Antonio. Wind gusts up to 63 miles per hour reported. Coming out of the Weather Channel 2 hours ago. Boston, Massachusetts. Heads up. Naked man falls through ceiling of a woman's bathroom at Boston's Logan Airport. Runs out and assaults elderly man. State police say. AP. More zombie apocalypse stuff. Magnitude 3.3 earthquake centered 3 miles northeast of Irving, Texas, coming out of USGS 1 hour ago. "16 minutes ago. Chanting, rain, sleet, hail, snow. Hell no, we won't go." Protesters gathered near Ferguson, Missouri police headquarters. Coming out of BKESLING. That's just happening now. 17 minutes ago. Alrighty then. Be safe. Be prepared for anything. You'll see the list ahead of this video. There's a list of the cities. Please protest. That was 17 minutes ago. Please protest during the daytime. And be safe. I don't know why this has to happen around Thanksgiving, but hopefully nothing bad will come of this and everyone will be home safe and enjoying Thanksgiving. Please, just do your activism during the day. There's going to be a lot of people fighting against each other for not the same cause that everyone's actually there for. And if it's in the daytime, everyone can see you. And we can see if there's any injustice going on. Can't tell in the nighttime. So everyone would be safe doing this during the day. And if there's someone that doesn't belong and they're starting trouble, maybe the protesters should protest that and encircle them so that the police can take them away. So you're not blamed for some kind of rogue protester that's not even a protester, just there to cause trouble. Alrighty then. Please be righteous, be safe, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. On the flip side. Pets are walking around. Alrighty then. And stay warm. No barbecues inside. But best not to, don't push yourself to where you're going to be sick for the rest of the, and ruin your holidays, your Christmas, your Thanksgiving. Please. Make your point and go home at night. Alright? Alrighty then. Just be safe. Alright. See you on the flip side.
City, I am starving. Show me a restaurant.
A ching chong pong chang. Learn how to speak English.
You racist! Really? Oh my god, 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 oh my god. My purse! He's gonna take my purse! Oh, okay.
It was at this moment that Nathan knew. He fucked up.
I have a toy for you at the first window.
Alright, right on, man.
On, nigga.